students, let us do a sum on the system of linear equations. This is a problem of NCERT textbook. The problem runs as: the students of a class are made to stand in rows. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. And if 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students in the class. Now, let us see the problem in the following figure. Here, first row, second row, third row. Similarly here, it is first column, second column, third column, fourth column, and so on. Lines vertical are columns. Lines horizontal are rows. Now, if students are made to sit in a row, the number of students in the row is equal to number of columns. So, let us suppose initially number of column is y and rows is x. Therefore, number of students in the class is equal to x multiplied by y. Now, as per the case 1, that is, if 3 students are extra in a row, that means if in each row 3 students are put extra, then of course the number of rows must reduce, and that reduced number of rows is 1 less. That means here it is y, here it is y, and therefore the column is y plus 3 because 3 students have been put extra, and the rows is reduced by 1, that is x minus 1. Now in this case, the number of students is equal to number of column multiplied by number of rows. This is equal to x minus 1 multiplied by y plus 3. Similarly, in the second case, if 3 students are less in a row, that means columns is reduced by 3, then of course the row will be more, and hence the row is x plus 2 because 2 rows more. And in this case, the number of students is x plus 2 multiplied by y minus 3. But the number of students is not going to change in any way. That means xy is equal to x minus 1 multiplied by y plus 3. This is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by y minus 3. Now, simplifying, we have this is xy, x multiplied by y, that is xy, plus 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x, minus y, and minus 1 multiplied by 3, that is minus 3. Similarly here, x multiplied by y, that is xy, minus 3 multiplied by x, that is minus 3x, y multiplied by 2, that is plus 2y, and 2 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 6. Now we see that in each term xy is common. So cancelling xy from each term, we have here we are left with 0. This is 3x minus y minus 3. And here minus 3x plus 2y minus 6. Now this expression can be rewritten as 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. And this 0 is also equal to minus 3x plus 2y minus 6. Now we have two equations. Equation this and equation this. That means if we consider this equation, 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. We have 3x minus y is equal to 3. That will be our first equation. Similarly here, minus 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This implies minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. And we have the second equation. Now adding both the equations 1 and 2, we have this second equation is minus 3x plus 2y plus 6. And this is 3x minus y is equal to 3. Adding this, minus 3x and 3x gets cancelled. This is 2y minus y, that is y. And 6 plus 3, that is 9. Hence we get y is equal to 9. Now putting this value in any one equation, say the first equation, we have 3x minus 9 is equal to 3. Why? This is our first equation. Y is 9. 3x minus 9 is equal to 3. This implies 3x is equal to 9 plus 3, that is 12. And hence x is equal to 4. Thus we get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. And therefore the number of students, that is x multiplied by y, is equal to 4 multiplied by 9, that is 36. Hence, the number of students in the class must be 36. Okay, thank you. दूसरे वीडियो के लिए